Okay, so I thought I'd do this video. I figured it may be useful for you. You'll probably do need to do this in the future sometime, but just to kind of catch you up, if you remember on the hunting project here, um, I bought a domain for it, but it wasn't resolving for some reason, and so there was something going on at the Namecheap. But anyway, they got it fixed. So what I need to do now, and the reason why so what I did was I installed the site on a subfolder on another domain of mine just to do the instruction here. So what I need to do now is actually clone the site to what I've got done so far. Okay, I need to move everything over to my actual domain that I bought. Okay, so here's my domain. Okay, it's buyhuntingcalls.com, and there's nothing on it. And then this is the site that we've been working on. Now I need to take everything here and move it here. Okay, so I want to show you how we're going to do that. And just so you know, if you look at this right here, the first thing I had to do was because when I came in to log into this particular site to continue the instruction videos, I forgot my username, put in the wrong one, and WordFence locked me out, which is good because we told it to lock out any usernames that are invalid immediately, and that's what it did to me. I have so many I can't keep up, but anyway. So it locked me out. So it did its job, which is good. We want it to. But I needed to get into the WP admin, so I had to go into the file manager. And let me just show you what I did real quick. So I had to go into the file manager of this particular site and go into WP content and then go into WP or the plugins folder. And then what I had to do was rename the WordFence plugins, and I just put a 1 in front of it. Doing that deactivates the plugin in your site. Okay, so if you ever need to deactivate a plugin, can't get into your WP admin, this is the way to do it. Okay, so let's go back and we need to clone this site and move it. I'm going to use the same plugin that I've been using forever that works perfectly for me every single time, and it's WP Clone. This plugin works for 99% of the hosting providers out there. Okay, so I just activated WP Clone, so I need to clone everything on this and move it. So I'm going to go to WP Clone. And now I'm just going to create a backup. Okay, so I'm going to create backup and then click OK. Now WP Clone will back up this entire site for us and wrap it up for us. So I'll pause the video. It only takes just a couple of seconds, and by the time I get done talking, it'll probably be done. Okay, there it is. It's completed. That's it. Now all we have to do is go back to this particular site, and we need to install the WP Clone plugin. So we're just going to go to Add New, and then click Upload, and we're going to browse and upload the WP Clone plugin. Okay, the WP Clone plugin is WP Clone by WP Academy. Really good. Open, and I'm going to install that plugin. Okay, so I'll just activate it. Now I'm going to go back over to the site that we just cloned. I'm going to copy this URL. So I'll copy link location, go back here, and I'm going to click on WP Clone. This is the site that doesn't have anything on it. I'm going to paste that URL in here. Okay, and I'm going to check the box that I agree, and I'm going to click Restore, and then click OK. The plugin will actually take everything from this site and just copy it to here in just a matter of minutes, or seconds. Okay, it's done. Everything is done now. So now we're going to click on Resave our permalink structure. It'll open up in a new tab, and we'll just have to log in here. And we're just going to click Save. Everything is copied over. Okay, it's actually that easy. So now we're done with this. We don't need this anymore. I will take this off of my server. Okay, we got everything set up on my new domain. Moving a site is that easy. It only takes just a second, and even installing sites with WP Clone is that easy. Okay, so I thought you would like that video, so I hope this helps. We'll see you in the next video and get started, or pick back up where we left off.